You gonna top dead center, or are you just gonna match it?
Oh, you don't have to.
All right, we finally got it out. I didn't record, but this is my 2001 Honda S2000.
Yeah, in person too.
Huh?
In person too.
Fully. It burns. This guy wanna shut the fuck up first. But this is fully stock, just E85 converted. Battery located, intake, exhaust. Stock wheels, stock tire, not stock tires, but you know what I mean. But I don't know what the channel is gonna be called. I have another channel, Fob Outdoors. Go subscribe to that. Hunting and outdoors, fishing. Track ready, boy. We're about to go test this mug trucker. Hell good gas. I run on E85, so my gas mileage is not that good. So I'm gonna strap on the GoPro in my head and see how it goes. All right, let's go.
So I got a Laguna Seca Blue EK hatch, K swap, full bolt-ons on Honda ECU on K Pro version 4, so it's all Bluetooth and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Damn, $12.
$12
on pump gas, roughly making like $230. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, my YouTube channel is, there's a bunch of names that you can put down, but try looking up hcia.kripsyj. You guys should find my channel. You'll see, or just type in EK hatch and this should be like the first thing that pops up.
I'll put it down there too.
Yo.
That's 2 years.
15 bucks.
Joe, it's $12.
Look at these vloggers.
I'm not vloggers. I'm just a cameraman, man.
Yeah.
I guess I am too, but
Ready to go?
this channel I'm a cameraman.
I'm usually a cameraman for the other channel, Fob Outdoors. You ready? Where you wanna go, George? Alright, I'm gonna go highway, but not that fast. Going to Mexico on the highway. We're gonna go test my throttle response, all that shit. And I think it feels way better. I mean, my car runs like shit, my tune is shit. I was wondering why my car was running weird. We good? Alright, y'all, that'll do it for today's video. Kind of short, got the shelf right here, but cars runs way better than what it was before. I would recommend it if you guys go. Honda has an NA, so your throttle response is way faster. But shout out to fucking master mechanic over there.
What's up?
Putting it in. But it's my first video, so hope y'all like it. So subscribe, comment, stay tuned for more.